Did you just flip off your drone? Why are you doing a drone video for a bike check? Alright, I get it. That's kind of cool. This is my Ritchie single-speed mountain bike. Hey, dumbass. This is why you only have 7 subscribers. Are you going to go back to the bike? Hello? No. You do what you want. It's your channel. Why don't you tell them about riding with Teddy Roosevelt? Remember that? How about the time you went mountain biking with Angela Lansbury? Then you guys went bass fishing. That was weird. Just show the bike. How about that, girls and boys? Look at that little peach. I got this thing from Bob Loodle. That's not his real name. So here's some specs for you, if you're into that kind of thing. I'd say this thing, it feels more like a BMX. It's nice having those 29-inch tires. But you can sling it around as much as you want. Or mountains. I just want you to be able to read the specs. Especially Gary. No, the other Gary. I knew I'd like this bike. I just didn't know how much. I've always kind of held this opinion about single-speed guys. And girls. This channel's for everybody. But I always thought that single-speed was kind of a douchey way to come out on a bike and go, yeah, I can keep up with you guys. I only have 1 gear. It's cool. But if I'm going to judge people that I don't know, doing a kind of mountain biking that I don't know that much about, that makes me the douche. I've learned a lot of things the hard way. But if you ever decide to get on a single speed, there are a couple things I know about it now. The big thing is your gear ratio. 34 teeth in the front, 21 in the back. I can out-pedal this thing pretty easily. But I also know if I put more teeth up front, it's not going to climb very well. Or at all. Especially with me on it. I think Bob Loodle got this just right. I'll tell you what, girls and boys. I don't know a thing about welding. But just looking at this Ritchie frame, you can tell they really knew what they were doing. Everything about this bike seems totally iconic. Like your toenails. Having this Ritchie P29er, it's kind of like riding a celebrity. It gets so many looks in the parking lot. Like someone wants its autograph. Because I know damn sure they're not looking at me. I've been stopped at least a half a dozen times now. People asking me about this bike on the trail. So I just tell them, hey, let's trade bikes for about a mile. You ride mine. See what you think. So if you and I cross paths out on the trail, yeah, even Gary. Yeah, that Gary. Give it a ride. Thanks for watching, kids. I'll see you next time.